Hi my little nation, it's me, Nolina Knives. Long story short, since Christmas is coming up, I have here in this large Sephora box stuff that I'm going to give to my sister. Now, a lot of it is new and a lot of it isn't. She's a person, like, even if I only have this much left of something, she'll use it right up. So, since we are related, I can do this. I'm going to give her the Crown Pro palette that I got in my BoxyCharm. And I did do a review on this. It still has the plastic and everything, and the pans are still like clean. So I'm going to give her this, like 30 bucks or something. Then she's a little bit darker than me, and I was trying to get rid of this foundation because I really don't like the Maybelline Fit Me foundations anymore. So I'm going to give her this one in the shade 220, which is natural beige. And I'm going to give her these packs of Luxie brushes, which retail for like 40-something dollars. Going to give her the rest of my Pro Infallible L'Oreal foundation. I'm going to give her my Nubian Juvia's Place palette. I'm going to give her my Milani bronzer. And as you can see, like, a lot of the stuff is still like new. Then I'm going to give her my DDK lash box. So this is what I did my review on. Got a lot of mixed reviews on that because, no, I can't read Japanese, and I was getting hate for that. They're like, read the instructions, and I'm like, Japanese. Then I'm gonna give her this little colorful mango shake eyeshadow. It's still sealed. Got this from Sephora. Then I'm gonna give her my Wet n Wild palettes. These are actually really cool palettes. Like, they're really, not like cool, but they're pigmented for the price point, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna give her these. Also, I'm gonna give her my little highlighter. I'm gonna give her some brow gel brushes and everything. So we have like a really big fan brush and just like some little blending brushes, smudge brushes, detailing brushes. Then I'm gonna give her my Burt's Bees Goodness Glows liquid makeup. I did kind of like this, but also I'm not one for that whole like dewy look because I already have oily skin. So I know that she'll appreciate this one. Then I'm going to give her the rest of my Studio Pro Total Coverage Concealer. This is amazing. Like, literally you can use it all over your face for foundation, or you can use it as concealer. It's really full coverage for the price point. And also I'm going to give her my Butter Lipstick by NYX. I'm also going to give her my Makeup Revolution Tammy X. Not recently, but I did compare this to one of the palettes that I had, more of a higher end price point, the Kat Von D Anniversary palette, and it's almost like a spot on dupe aesthetic wise. I did let her borrow this before, and she dropped it and cracked the mirror, so now I'm like, Merry Christmas, bitch, you could have it back. Now I'm going to give her my Nightingale palette. As you guys seen in the review, this palette was actually pretty pigmented and also very nice aesthetic wise, very vintage feel. The shadows were a little bit more on the subtle side, and she does her makeup pretty subtle. She's not all wild with pops of color like I do sometimes. So I just thought I'd share this video and hopefully inspire you guys. If you guys are like makeup, like shopaholics and makeup addicts like me right here, and you realize that your dresser is overflowing, you got shit underneath your bed, stacked in boxes, you got shit in your closet, you have it in your living room like I do. You have buckets behind the dresser in the living room. You have freaking makeup everywhere, like it's stashed, you know? Try getting rid of some. It's part of like a cleanse maybe, and you know that you don't use every single thing in your collection. Unless you really do, then props to you. But sometimes I forget that things are there. You know what I mean? Instead of just like letting it sit around and collect dust, why not let it be used, you know, by someone who is actually going to use it? So this is kind of like a Thanksgiving / Merry Christmas thing to her. And also it feels good to me too, because I'm not only giving her stuff that I don't use and don't need, I'm also making someone happy without also having to spend more money. So if you guys are like me and just have like extra stuff like hanging around, why not give it to one of your relatives or a close friend? You know what I mean? They'll be super grateful, and also you'll feel really good about yourself too. So this wasn't me doing a video like, look, I'm giving my sister over $300 worth of makeup. It's just, it is what it is, you know what I mean? So life's too short to like hold on to every little thing that's temporary, like makeup, you know? So I was thinking about that too, because I have things that are kind of like high-end makeup, and I'm just like, I don't want to use it, I want to save it for someday special. And then like, I realized those special occasions don't come around as often as I was hoping they would be, and my high-end products just sit there. You know what I mean? Like unopened foundations, because I'm too scared to use them for like everyday use. But also, you probably want to use an $80 foundation before you die. So, sorry to leave on such a morbid ending. But, happy Thanksgiving, happy birthday to me, and Merry Christmas to you guys, just in case I can't get my shit together in time to make another video. Alright, so I will see you guys later, and enjoy the holidays. Bye!